So the definition of gratefulness or gratitude, appreciation, thankfulness, be able to give thanks. I've had a really tough couple years. I got to tell you guys, being a single mom with a child with a disability, a lot of people would look at that and say, wow, that's got to be a tough road. But having a relationship with God has completely changed my life. Having that gratefulness always, every single day. It's the one thing that helps me get up. I learned so much from all of you. And so that has really helped me out. And I've always had an attitude of gratitude. The fact that I get to get up and I get to breathe every day and I get to do this. And so if you're lacking gratitude and you're lacking thankfulness, it's kind of cool to look back in your life to see where you were and to see where you're going. Every single one of us goes through pits in our life, and I've been through a lot, and I'm glad that I had it. Through that time, it's helped me get to where I am and be more appreciative. But seriously, all you guys are amazing. I am so grateful that I get to learn from you, and you guys are all helping me as well.